Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Ritu Soul, and I'm Ritu, and today's topic is more about, can you be another you? What were you in your 20s? Yes. Can you? Yes, we can. The answer is very simple. As we all know, we all are running in the age of 30s, 40s, and some are even in the 50s. Age is just a number. Don't think that you have turned old. The moment you will start thinking that you have turned old, it's all finished. Yes. Think yourself, believe in yourself, focus on yourself, on your mental health, on your physical health. You are still young. Which is very good for your life. Yes. Being healthy, being fit, being sound mind will all make you and your life better living. Now, if we talk about health, how good health plays a very important role for your age. Yes, good health has become a more than a means to your personal goals. Health is everything. Health is wealth. Now, if we talk about women, a woman goes through many things, like after her marriage, many hormonal changes come, after pregnancy, a lot more. Her figure is not like what she used to have previously. Doesn't matter. Take time. Take time for yourself. Give a year, twice a year, 2 years, 3 years. Doesn't matter. But at least try to work out. Slowly and slowly you will see changes in yourself and you will feel better. You will think, yes, you have done it. You are achieving nearby to your goals, which is good. Think and believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself. If you are positive, and you will feel, yes, you have done it. It's a great thing. So try to focus on yourself. Try to put efforts on yourself. Being little, being more. Now, for this thing, you need to be consistent. There should be consistency, hard work, ambitious, self-control, efforts. These all are the factors will play a very important role towards making your goals come true. Don't think and don't bother about people, what people will say. I've already talked about this thing in my previous blog, that don't think about others, what others will say. Only believe and think about yourself, about your inner self, about your fitness, about your health, about your mind, everything. Sorry. Now, if we talk about health, there are two things which plays a very important role. One is your physical health and one is your mental health. Now, how can you achieve physical health? That you all know. You can join some diet club. You can go for any aerobics, Zumba, and you can join some nutritionist. You can take classes with that. Either you can do yourself at home by skipping, running, or working out, anything. But what about your mental health? How mental health is important? Mental health plays a very important role. If you have a very healthy mind, sound mind, you are near to your goal. If you have many problems, being it any issue like family problem or a monetary issue, then it may affect your body and soul. Yes, you have to work out through this thing. You have to overcome by making some plans how you can do things which your mental health is not affected. Because for a healthy mind and soul, mental health plays a equal important role with physical health. You must have think now people say healthy people, they are more good than the unhealthy people. Yes, it is right. Healthy people have positive attributes towards life. How come? They are focused. They are oriented towards their goal. They don't have a plans for a 1 day or 2 day or 3 day. They have a plans for their life, for their whole life. They have prepared their chart. They have prepared their routine, that how they have to set up the whole day, what all things they have to eat, how they have to maintain their life, how they have to maintain their body weight. If you are healthy, your soul is healthy. You can work out and you can make your body fit. What about imperfect people? Is there anything like we can say that people are imperfect? Yes, people say. Why people say unhealthy people as imperfect? Because they think that they are irresponsible. They are lazy. They get tired easily. They don't work. And their aim towards life is also immoral. They don't take out work. They don't take out time for their health. And if one can't maintain health, then how can that person can maintain anything else? If they are not taking care about their body. As we all say, the body is the temple of the living God. So we all should worship. If you are not taking care of your own body, you are not at all doing anything for anything. And if you work out, you will definitely feel, I'm not talking about take a year or so. The whole life is there, but at least try to make some efforts. And if you will make some little efforts, you will definitely, your expectations will, you will fulfill that thing. What you have thought in life, you will definitely achieve that goal. You will definitely achieve that success in life. And you will think, yes, you are still young. Being at this age also, you are young, you are fit, you are healthy, and you are yourself even running in this age. And you will feel happy when people will appreciate you, appreciate your way. You will think, yes, I have done it. I am this. I am best. So that's all today's blog. So be rocking, be full of energetic, be a good soul. If you like it, then do like my channel and subscribe it, and try to be healthy and think you are even in 20s. Yes, that's the way one should live life. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay fit, and take care of your health. Bye-bye.